Hello guys, peace be with you. This is Fernandez Flavia and welcome back to my channel Fernandez Kitchen. So guys, today I am going to prepare mutton dum biryani. These are the ingredients required for making mutton dum biryani. So guys, here I have taken 1 kg of mutton. Squeeze it nicely. Make sure it should not contain dripping water. Add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. 3/4 glass of curd. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Half tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of garam masala powder, 4 tablespoons of mutton masala powder, 4 tablespoons of biryani powder, chopped coriander leaves, mint leaves, 12 green chilies, 5 chopped tomatoes, salt according to the taste. Mix it well. For best result, use your fingers. It mixed well, so I am going to keep it in the fridge for 2 hours. Take a pot, add 3/4 of water and let it boil well. So guys, take a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil, add cardamom 2, clove seeds 4, cinnamon sticks 2, fennel seeds few, bay leaf 2 pieces. Roast it for few minutes on medium flame. Now add roasted biryani ingredients into the water. Mix it well. Close the lid. So guys, in the same pan, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Add 3 chopped onions. And roast it till brown. It turned to brown, so turn off the flame. You can see here the water is boiling well. Here I have taken 1 kg of basmati rice. Before adding it into boiling water, soak it in the water for an hour. Now add it into the boiling water. Add salt according to the taste. Mix it well. Let it cook for 90%. You can see here it almost cooked 90%. So guys, take a pressure cooker, heat it. Once it heated, add 10 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil get heated, add cinnamon sticks 4, cardamom 4, star anise 2, black pepper 10, clove seeds 8, fennel seeds 1 tablespoon, shahi jeera half tablespoon. Roast it for few minutes. Here I have taken 6 chopped onions. Add it. Roast it till golden brown. Add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Roast it well. So guys, you can see here it turned to golden brown. Add the marinated mutton. Roast it for few minutes. Now add 1.5 glasses of water. Stir it well. Close the lid and fix the whistle. Cook it till 12 whistles. After the 12th whistle, turn off the flame and let it cool. Take a big bowl. Transfer half of the mutton. Again cook it for 10 minutes on medium flame. Now add half of the basmati rice. Adjust it neatly. Add remaining mutton. Again add remaining rice. Adjust it well. Add chopped coriander leaves, mint leaves, roasted onions, one tablespoon of ghee. Take 1/4 glass of water. In that add food color, mix it well and pour it here. Seal the bowl with wheat dog and cover the lid. Cook it for 5 to 10 minutes on low flame. So here mutton dum biryani is ready. So guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and also do not forget to click the bell icon. Thank you.